In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a custom domain in Circle. So, this will make your site more professional and align it with your personal or business brand. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step to ensure everything is crystal clear. First, you'll need to log in to your Circle.so admin account. This is your starting point because it gives you access to all the settings you need to tweak for your custom domain. Simply enter your credentials and you'll be welcomed into your dashboard. Once you're in, navigate to the settings menu. Go ahead and select Domains, followed by Custom Domain. This is where the magic happens. It's here that you'll tell Circle, so about your unique domain. Next up, click on Add Custom Domain. It's pretty straightforward at this point. You're about to associate your Circle, so community, with the domain you've chosen, which is really exciting. Now, when prompted, enter your domain name. This should look something like www.yourcustomdomain.com. Double check your entry to prevent any errors and then click Save. This little step locks in the domain name you've picked for your Circle.so site. At this point, Circle.so will provide you with a CNAME record. This piece of information is crucial as it links your domain provider with your Circle.so account. So simply click on it to copy this CNAME record to your clipboard. Jump over to your domain provider. You might use providers like GoDaddy, Namecheap, or Cloudflare. Log into your registrar's account and head to the DNS settings section. It's usually quite prominently displayed, but feel free to use the search if you're having trouble finding it. In your DNS settings, you'll be adding a new record. Select Add Record to begin. You'll set the type to CNAME. The name will typically be www, and for the value, paste in the CNAME record you copied earlier from Circle. So, once you've filled in these fields, click Save to apply your changes. With those steps completed, switch back to Circle.so and click on Verify Domain. This important step checks whether everything has been set up correctly and if your custom domain is synced up as expected. Now we wait for DNS propagation. This is a process that can take anywhere from a few minutes to several hours. It can be a little nerve-wracking, but be patient. During this time, the internet worldwide is updating to recognize the changes you've made. Once verified, you'll receive a confirmation, and your Circle.so site will be accessible via your custom domain. And there you have it. Your space in Circle.so is now seamlessly integrated with your own domain, lending it a polished professional appeal. This setup not only enhances your online presence, but also solidifies your brand, making it easier for your community to find you.